Let it bang.
What's up, party people? I'm out here looking a hot mess. Don't mind what I look like. I gotta do my hair and stuff when I get home. But you see my little woe. But your girl is trying to catch these deals, okay? Just letting y'all know now, today is gonna be all over the place. I feel like I'm like rushing because my stepmom has a package coming in the mail, and me and my dad are trying, like, we both have somewhere to go, so we're trying to hurry up. So he's waiting until I get home. So I'm gonna definitely hit the CVS by my house. Not gonna hit the Walgreens by my house, but I'm gonna go down to my favorite CVS and Walgreens. I have stuff to do in between, so hopefully we can get this done. But really, I'm just trying to head over to CVS because I heard they got some great deals, and we already been to Walgreens. But I think I found another deal too at Walgreens, so we're gonna see though. So if you have coupons, this deal will be really good for you. They spend 15, get 10 on Caress or St. Ives. I don't have any coupons on these, so I'm just gonna get the Caress because I like the way those smell better, and I'm gonna get 3, and it's gonna come to like $19. So I'm gonna get 10 back, so it's like paying $9 for 3. All right, so we have a coupon that is well, first you get $10 cash card when you spend 30, right? So we're trying to get the 30, and then they have a 10 off of 40 on the app, as well as a 3 off of 12 on laundry. So we're just trying to get the 40. I got the 16 count Tide Pods. I got the big Tide for $12.49. I got the small Tide for $5.94. I got the Gain Liquid for $4.94. And the Gain Fabric Softener for $4.94. And that altogether gives you, it comes up to like 33 something. And then I got the Downy Unstoppables for $5.94. And then the Downy Fabric Softener for $5.94. I have this $2 off coupon I'm gonna use. And everything else is digitals. So I have $1 off of a Downy, 2 off a Gain, 2 off a Gain, 2 off a Tide, 3 off a Tide, and 2 off a Tide. And then this paper. Minus all the coupons that's on the app and this one, it should come to $18. Then you'll get 2 back because I did the, if you do select 2 of the select, you get $2 back. And then the $10 back, so you get 12 back. 12, 8, 7, 6. So really it'll be, if it comes out correct, it should be $6 for everything after getting the money back. I always feel the need to do mouthwash deals. I'm gonna do it. We have $1 off coupon on the app. And I'm gonna just do it twice, and then we're gonna get the $2 back each time. You buy one for $4.99, you get $2 back. So I get it for $2.99. I know this isn't a good deal, but I just can't help myself, and I be having extra bucks to waste anyway. So I'm gonna get these 2, the charcoal, and we're gonna get 4 back. Now there's some other deals, but I'm gonna do them at the other CVS just because I can use more coupons. Camera look crooked. Okay, y'all. So the first transaction did not go as planned. So where is that receipt? Right here. So the first one, my $2 coupon that I gave him came off. The Gain came off, the $2 Gain, and the other $2 Gain. The $3 Gain did not come off. I don't know why. It wasn't showing up. I mean, I'm sorry. The $3 Tide did not come off. And then the $2 Tide, $2 Tide. The $1 Bounce came off. The 10 off of 40 came off. So because the $3 Tide did not come off the first time, we redid it, and then I just gave her $9 in extra bucks, which made the price still come down to $6.38. And then I got the $2 extra bucks back, but the $10 did not print out. So I'm like, okay. And then I looked on the receipt, and it said that I needed to spend $2.69 in order to get to the $30 threshold. I don't know what happened in between, but it's okay. I just went and got another Gain fabric softener, and I used a $2 paper coupon that I had. And then my $10 print off. So all together I only spent $6 because I got the 10 back. $6 on all of that detergent and stuff. And then for the mouthwash, the 2 mouthwash, the 2 toothpaste, and the 3 Caress, the $1 Colgate came off, the 3 off of 15 for toothpaste, the 3 off of 12 for body wash, $1 off of mouthwash, and I gave her 9. I gave her 11 extra bucks, and the total came to $19.28. But then I got $18 back, so I only paid $1 and some change. So altogether, I spent $7 and some change on everything, which is not bad at all. And my phone is just falling. But now I'm gonna head over to the other CVS, just to try and do some other deals and use up some of my extra. Use up some of my coupons that I have, because my Gain coupons will be expiring soon, so I'll probably try and use those. But we're on to the next destination. I think we did pretty good for the first store. I'll see y'all at the next one. So get a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Alright, so I'm gonna get I got the $10.99 Venus razors, and then the $9.99 Venus razors, and you get 10,000 points when you spend 20. So altogether that'll be $20.98. Then I have a 2 off of 1 and a 4 off of 1. There's actually save $10 on 2 Venus coupon on the app. So I have that clipped, and then I'm gonna try and use the 2 coupons that I just showed you guys, and that may bring the price down to like $4. So we'll see. So Scrub and Bubbles and some Windex is on sale for 2 for $6, and I have some $1.50 off of 2 coupons. So I might do this deal. So I ended up getting 4, and I'm gonna use 2 of the $1.50 off coupons, so it'll be $4.50 for 2. And then I have $1 off of 1 of these, so it'll be 2. Is that 6, 5? 2 for 4. These wipes are still buy one at $3.49 get 1 free, so I'm just gonna do this deal again. Okay guys, remember that I said I was doing a giveaway soon, so I'm trying to get some good stuff to put in the package. So I'm gonna do the hair, skin, and nails again, and then I'm gonna do this one with the collagen in it. And I'm gonna use $2 off coupons, and I'm gonna get 4 for like $16, and then it'll be like getting them for like $4 each. So I'm gonna do the razors and the toothbrushes first, and then everything else together. Everything else I'm gonna use the $10 in register rewards, and then a 5 off of 20. All right guys, so for the first transaction, everything went as planned, and I'm at the Walgreens that the lady normally actually reads the coupons and doesn't let you use them, even though they'll still go through. So I went to a different cashier. One of her managers actually was skinning me out, and her manager let me do what I needed to do. So first transaction, I did the 2 Venus razors and the two toothbrush. Total came to $31.68. The $10 didn't come off because I used the 4 and the 6, which is fine. And then I actually did 2 of the hair, skin, and nails. That was my fault, but the 2 manufacturer coupons kicked out the $10 one. So yeah, that's fine. I'll probably try and do it again another day. So total came to $31.68. And I paid that, and then I got 10,000 points, and then the $5 register reward didn't print out, so she gave me 5,000 points. So really I only paid $16, which isn't bad. And then I did everything else together, and that came to $16.02. And I got 5,000 points, so I only spent $11. Not the best, but I like to build my points up, and you know, so when you trying to build up points, you're gonna have a bigger out-of-pocket cost. Like I said, which for me is fine because I was prepared to do so. But now I'm about to head over to the my favorite CVS, and yeah. All right, we live in the other CVS. So you buy two CoverGirl cosmetics, you get $5 back. So I'm gonna get 2 of these mascaras for $6.49, and then I have a $2 off of a mascara and a $3 off of any CoverGirl. Price will come to $7. Get 5 back. We spent $2. We did this before, but the Suave hair care is 2 for $6. You get 2 extra bucks back, so that'll be 2 for $4. And then we have a $2 off coupon, so it will be 2 for $2, so $1 each. All right, so we have the Colgate toothbrush deal. Buy it for $3.99, you get $2 back. It's like in it for $1.99. You can do this twice. So I'm gonna get 2 toothbrushes. So I'm gonna do this on my other account. There's a 2 off of 10 for Colgate. I'm gonna get 2 of these toothpastes and 1 mouthwash. Pay $11 and get 6 back, so it's like $5 for all of these. I just found these, so I have $1 off of the 2 toothpastes, which is going to be $1.99, so the out of pocket's going to be smaller. So I'm just trying to use these gain coupons that I have, but this sign right here says limited purchases to 4 items per sale. I don't really know what that means, I'm asked, but I did get 3 of the fireworks of the what scent is this? Island Fresh, because this one smells really, really good. And then I got detergent. But I'm gonna ask when I get up there. It's hot. Put on this window. All right. So I'm back in the car. Let me get my receipts together. So first transaction was with the Suave, the toothbrushes, and the Gains, and the CoverGirl. Everything came off. $3 off of 12 on laundry came off. $3 CoverGirl, and then I gave him 14 extra bucks, so the price came to $14.85. I got 9, 10, 11 extra bucks back, so I only paid $3. And then I got $6 off your next $30 purchase, and nothing else that I really care about. So the second transaction on my old account, I did the 2 mouthwash and the 2 toothpaste. Everything came off, and then I gave him 4, 4, and 5. What's that? 9, $14. Well, okay, let's just say that the last extra buck was only used for $2.96, which is fine. I don't really care. And then I didn't pay anything. It was free. And I got 8 extra bucks back, and then a 6 off of 30. Yeah. So my favorite CVS now has a limit. I don't know if it's just for this week because of the deals, but I'm gonna go to the next CVS down further, just so I can see if I can spend these, get rid of these gain coupons. That's honestly the only reason why I'm considering going to another one. All right, we at the last store. Hopefully I can use all these coupons so I can go on about my week and come back and do some different deals if I have any in mind. All right, so I'm in the last CVS. Most of the stuff's not tagged, but I looked it up online and it seems about right. So everything here is $4.94. I got 2 gain sheets, 105 count, 2 gain liquids, 2 Starbucks softeners. I have $2 off coupons for all of these. And then I have a 6 off of 30. So that should come off. And then I have 4 and 2. So my total should be like 60 something cents plus tax if everything goes right, but we'll see. I'm burning it up today. Okay, so everything didn't go as planned. You know, at CVS you can only do 4 of the same coupon, and I had 4 of the same and then 2 different ones that were also gained. For some reason the last one wasn't scanning, so we didn't do one of the gain sheets. But all the rest of the coupons came through, and I gave her $5 extra buck, $4, and then another one to cover the difference. So everything was free. And then I did the last gain sheets. $2 coupon came off. $2.94 plus tax $3.18. So I just paid the $3.18, which is fine. So $3.18 for 6 gain items, not bad. But I'm finished for the day. Gonna get some food, ship this stuff that I'm supposed to be shipping, and I'm going home. And hopefully this time I remember. I don't know what's been going on lately. I'd be forgetting to lay out the stuff, but I'm gonna make sure that I do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I'll be back. So yeah. Right. Later. Okay guys, so this is everything that I bought today. Nice little recap.